You turn the page. I don't know. That's a rubber ducky? That's a Q for Quinn. Ah, whoa! You hit Beezer. Here, look. Look at this one. Look. Wow. Wow. Where's Elmo? Look at that picture.
Wow.
Wow.
There.
That's a lion. That's a ladybug. Yeah, ladybug. What does a duck say? Duck. Does he say quack quack? What does a doggy say? That's a zebra. That's a zebra. It's a zebra. That's Elmo dressed up like a wizard. That's Elmo again, holding a valentine. That's Oscar the Grouch. Say bye-bye. Wait, bye-bye. Bye-bye.